and the dog food. Yeah.
Hi guys, I just wanted to do an unboxing video on this new Shark vacuum that I can't wait to use. It has a lot of different features that I really am impressed with so far. Again, I haven't used it quite yet, but once I do, I will include my thoughts in the review itself. But just to kind of show you guys some of these features, we're in my laundry room right now. My hall closet just doesn't happen to have power. So to use the empty base, you will need a slot for power in your closet or wherever you plan to use it. But the empty base is pretty impressive. It does charge at the same time. You can see it's kind of like it's charging there. It does have a night mode. So if you have a baby or some dogs that are sensitive to the empty base, you can press that and it won't empty, it'll just charge. But I'll just show you that it's easy to empty. You press a button and it comes off and everything's all contained in there. And then over your trash can, the bottom will flip out and that's how it empties. There's some filters and stuff that you need to clean and maintain, which is awesome because Shark, you know, everything's cleanable, which is great. And then if you just take it off and put it back on, it will empty the base for you, which is amazing. You a lot less dust and different things. If you need to, this also comes off. There's a button here to release the battery and you can charge it separately. There's a little button somewhere, there we go, that you can charge it separately. I'm very familiar with Shark products. I use this one over here every single day. And in comparison, this one is so much lighter and easier to use. It still has those great features where you can kind of pick which fan speed works for you and what you're cleaning. And then it also comes with some really cool features and accessories. I can't wait to use this on my stairs with these little powerful fins here. And then of course a nice crevice tool. In comparison to my old Shark, this one's so heavy and that one is so much lighter and easier on your wrist. And then this guy has some upgrades too. It looks like it's going to be easier to clean, and it also will release the brush roll too, which is great. So in comparison, it looks like it's going to be much easier to use and clean. So can't wait to use this guy. It looks like it's going to be a really good vacuum. I will definitely give you my opinion below though.
Anything up. Oh, small scrap of paper. Right back out again. It spins around. Okay. Now everything is done. Okay. Time to clean this up. Go ahead and
This is the garbage. This is so nice. I like it. I'm loving this.
Hey, it's Allie sharing our Shark Cordless self-emptying vacuum. Turn it on. You'll see the brush roll begins, light turns on. The small light on the side is currently blue, sensing the hardwood floor, changes to a purple and increases brush roll as it senses the carpet. It does turn into a hand vacuum, either there at the end detaches or up toward the top, could detach here for a shorter or longer handheld vacuum. There's your power function. It will self-empty into this container as it is placed back onto the base. Incredibly lightweight, easy for a quick cleanup or for a full clean of the house. We use it almost every day, and my favorite cleaning purchase of the year.
Press it one time. Okay.
I think you just put it in there.